In problem number 4, it asks to measure each angle and side. So let's start with the side lengths. We take our ruler and measure the bottom length first, BC. We see that it's about 34 millimeters, so 3.4 centimeters. And now we can just rotate this up and measure the length AB. Looks like it's about 1.9 centimeters. If we rotate, oops, if we rotate to look at length AD, we see that AD is about 2.1 centimeters. And then finally, if we look to rotate our ruler and measure CD, we see that this is about 3 centimeters. So those would be the measures that we're looking at. Now, in order to measure the angles, what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and extend our lines, our sides through in both directions so that we can measure using our protractor more accurately. Again, the longer the length sides that you have, the more likely you'll be able to see where they intersect on the protractor accurately. And so if I extend these out in each direction, I'll be able to measure the angles. So if we use our protractor here, we can set it up. Let's look at angle D or angle B first. So here in angle B, it's an acute angle, so we're using the inner angle measures. So in looking at those, as we rotate through, looks like it passes through right about 84 degrees. If we move this over to find angle C, now our zero is on the outside, so we're going to use the outside measure. Again, we're still dealing with an acute angle here. It looks like we are measuring about 66 degrees. If we rotate our protractor at point A, we can now measure. Our zero starts on the inside, so again we're going to measure using the inside measures. It's about 120. And finally, our last measure at D, if we rotate this about, what we see is we're looking at 90 degrees for that. And so those would be our angle measures. So our side lengths and angle measures for problem 4.